So for Aquatica San Antonio for 2019, we are opening brand new Ehu's Breakaway Falls, the tallest drop tower in Texas. You enter into a drop box, the door closes in front of you. After a 3-second prompt, the floor literally drops beneath you. You go down a serpentine path into the slide run out where you're able to get out, and oh man, it's a rush. The great thing about Ehu's Breakaway Falls, it is the tallest tower that we have in Aquatica. The view is beautiful. You're going 8 stories up to get to that nearly 70-foot drop to go see the view of the entire park and to have quite a thrilling ride at the end. And then, so you're essentially stepping backwards into it, then leaning against the wall. And I want to put it all shapes the head and turn across.
How are you feeling right now?
Okay, this is an adrenaline rush. Backwards, foot, yeah. Good job. Then you're going to cross your legs. Cross, and then after that thumbs up when I close you up. Okay. Oh my gosh.
How you feeling? How you feeling?
Oh my gosh, I feel the adrenaline rush. Oh my gosh!